Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sushi icon in Figma in just a few simple steps using a free icon plugin. This is a super quick method if you want to add clean, professional-looking sushi graphics to your UI design, food app mockups, restaurant branding, or any creative project inside Figma. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy design guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and go to the bottom toolbar. At the bottom of the screen, click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and widgets that can help speed up your workflow. Once the menu opens, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to the plugin search area, where you can browse and install tools that are made to extend Figma's functionality. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify and run it. Iconify is one of the most popular plugins for finding all kinds of icons directly inside Figma, and it makes this process incredibly easy. After the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type sushi. Then press enter to search. You'll now see different sushi-related icon results appear on the screen. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the one that best fits your design style. Once you find the sushi icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it anywhere in your design and resize it as needed to match your layout. Because it's an icon vector, it stays chirpy and clean even when you scale it up or down. From here, you can also change the color, adjust the size, and position it to fit your overall design theme. This is especially useful if you're building food menus, delivery apps, Japanese restaurant interfaces, or modern illustrations, and that's it. You've now created a sushi icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and a great way to save time when you need quality icons inside your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.